I actually I'm gonna take some cuttings from it, because if you look right here, you see where the leaves actually came off. I'm gonna cut it and propagate them. So I don't know, just me personally, I just don't like the leggy look. I like it when it full, like how it's inside here. So yeah. It's actually wrapping around, because if you look here, this one belongs to this entire, it's just like circling around. I guess this is actually because of how I had it positioned in the sun and where the light was coming from, so it literally starts wrapping over each other, because this is seen here as well. It's coming all the way out to here, and this one as well is being wrapped from going all the way around there. So I actually don't mind it. It could do what it wants, but these pieces have to go. They have to. I mean, they're my longest ones that are hanging off, but it's just not pretty, is it? It just isn't pretty. Look, that's not pretty. Actually, I had someone come here and they just played with it, and a lot of them drop off, and they thought it was okay. But you know, you want a healthy looking plant. Mine's is healthy looking, but I want it to be full as well. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm gonna be like, why are you gonna do this? Why? I'm gonna leave this one since this is very long. I really don't mind it as much, but this one has to go. See how sad it looks. No, what is that? Have to go. And so does this one here. Just see it. It's literally like all of this space, and it's just this little tiny thing. So yep, have to go as well. This one has to go as well. There's just some I'm gonna leave, but others like that looks really leggy, have to go. So I'm gonna actually cut it. So about right here. Oh, I just cut it, didn't I? I really just did cut it. That's one. Feels so bad about doing this. Kitty, come on, move. Move. We have another one here. Kitty. There. Okay, I said I was gonna leave those. So you see, stop. But you see all here and all that placement that is gone. I'm gonna cut right there as well. It's okay getting a little haircut. One that is truly not needed, but I can't stand to see it this way. So I'm cutting it. That's all it. I don't think there's any more that I really want to cut. I'm surprised. I thought a lot more would have fallen off. Actually, let's just cut like right here. You know. What do you think I should take off from there? I think I'm gonna end up with the same problem over there as well, but move. Oh shit. So I guess Kitty has made a point, and you need to go. You need to go. Come. Go. Made a point. And Mr. Like he has to go. It looks so sad now. Yo, back up. Back up. Stay there. So, let's move back. You can see this is where I cut. And actually, like, you can see here, it was cut there as well, and then it actually started to sprout this direction. So I'm hopeful that that's what's gonna happen with these as well.